Okay, that is the chemistry. So first of all, you should know what is chemistry. The chemistry is that branch of science that deals with what? That deals with the properties and the composition of matter. That deals with the properties and composition of matter and the changes that matter undergoes by various interactions. So what does this mean? This is a definition, but what does this mean? This means that we are focusing only on the matter. We are focusing only on the matter. So what is matter? Matter, you all know, anything that has mass and occupies space is matter. And remember one most important thing, that in chemistry we deal with the matter. We only deal with matter. We never deal with the energy. In some cases like thermodynamics and equilibrium, we may deal with that energy part, but the part of the matter, the mass part, is very much important. If someone says weight in chemistry, he simply means that he is talking about the mass. So you must remember, if someone is referring to weight, he is referring to mass, because the weight, the word like weight does not have any meaning in chemistry. So you know what is matter. If I say the solution that is present, the solution that is present in this container is a matter. This container is also a matter. The gas which is present in it is also a matter. So how do the matters interact? When I put this solution into this solution, or this solution into that solution, there will be some kind of a chemical change. If there is a chemical change happening, it means what? It simply means that the matter which is present in this container and the matter which is present in this container, or I can say that flask, they are interacting with each other, and they are forming something different, a new chemical compound. So what will be that new chemical compound? I have to study its properties also. So it is all about that. You deals with what? You deals with the composition, that is what will be its formula. You deal with what? Its properties, that what are the main properties that the particular new substance that has formed has, and the interactions. So what is the meaning of the interactions? That how do they react with each other? So this is all about the chemistry. It seems a very small topic, but no, it's a very vast subject. All right.